Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and paired, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Once done, check that your carrier supports eSIM for Apple Watch and have your account details ready. This prevents delays. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Cellular and choose Add Cellular. You're initiating the carrier handshake. This tells your phone to request a Watch eSIM profile. Keep both devices near each other. The phone handles most of the heavy lifting automatically. You'll now follow the carrier's specific prompts. Some require scanning a QR code, others use the carrier app or enter a code. During this step, accept terms and select the watch plan or line to attach. This maps the eSIM to your watch phone number for voice and data. Make sure you confirm the activation request on both iPhone and watch when asked. Once the profile installs, you should see a confirmation like cellular plan added. If it stalls, restart both devices and try again. To finish, verify connectivity. Swipe up on the watch, open Control Center, and confirm the cellular icon and carrier name appear. Make a short call or use data to test. If you experience no signal, toggle cellular off and on, then reboot both devices. This often forces network registration. If issues persist, contact your carrier with the watch ICSID or ask them to reprovision the eSIM. As a last resort, remove the cellular plan in the watch app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.